Hello and welcome to another episode of Noosa For Sale. I'm Alex Harris and this is one of the quietest, prettiest riverside streets you'll ever find, and this is one of its best homes. From the electronic security gate across the wide concrete driveway through to the rear landscaped garden, this is a low-maintenance, secure property with lifestyle a priority. At the heart of the home is the stunning alfresco room with spotted gum decking and stacker doors opening to the heated and cooled magnesium salt plunge pool. Winner of the 2021 Landscape Queensland Construction Excellence Awards, Residential Design and Construct 75 to 100K category, and featured in Outdoor Design magazine, this home is sure to impress. Never pay big electricity bills again while enjoying year-round air conditioning if desired with your heavy-duty 13 kilowatt solar power system, along with a 3,000 litre Polymaster rainwater tank for garden irrigation. This exceptionally well-maintained, well-presented home enjoys the peace and privacy one would associate with acreage without the work. So if this home speaks to you, speak to me. I'm Alex, 0412 635 274.